What's up, Scorpio? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tarot.ILLUMINAE. My name is Brooke, your reader. This is going to be your monthly reading for July of 2021, guys. I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Alright, guys? Quick announcement before we get started. Mickey. Shush. Sorry, it's a dog. Anyway, because I don't have enough time to do 24 readings in a month, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the original. Each zodiac gets their monthly, okay, each month. And then halfway through the month, I'm going to pick the top 3 in my analytics. Most viewed, most watched hours, most liked, most commented, etc. Okay? So you guys like, share, subscribe, watch the videos, okay? Let me know if you want your bonuses, alright? And because you're pretty close, Scorpio. You were almost close to getting one this last time. Anyways, Scorpio, this could possibly resonate with you if you have Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in the North Node. Cross watchers, if you're dealing with a Scorpio, this very well could be your message. These are general readings. They are not personal readings. Therefore, they're not going to resonate with each and every single one of you. I encourage you to check out your other natal chart placements. Okay? Follow me on Instagram. I do a weekly for each element on Instagram. Alright, guys? All that information will be down in the description box down below. And, yeah, don't force the messages, guys. Take what resonates and leave the rest for the others. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to try a more structured reading here. Okay, guys? I'm super tired. Haven't had any sleep. It is officially, what time is it? It is 9:58 my time in the morning. And I worked 14 hours, came home and stayed up to start doing readings. So if my energy sounds a bit off or different, that's why, guys, okay? Bear with me. Show me Scorpio energy, please, Spirit. What's coming towards my Scorpios? What do they need to know the most? What is the immediate message that you deem worthy at this time? And most importantly, what is the advice for my Scorpios? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in the North Node for the month of July 2021. Let me turn this down. Everybody bitches about my music. They forget it's my channel. Mine. You want to make your own channel and see if you can do better? Go for it. I'm sorry, Scorpio. Thank you to all those who have returned, have subscribed, and support me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're so loved and cherished. Show me Scorpio. What's been, okay, we're going to do recent past, present energy, and the near future. Okay? Show me recent past for Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in the North Node. Should I take it? Yes. You have Death in reverse. That is your energy. I don't like when your energy comes out in the reverse, guys. But let's see what this is about before I say anything. To the bottom of the deck, the Moon, because of secrets. Something isn't, you don't want something to end here. Somebody wants to cling on to it for dear life, okay? Yes. Could be a Leo or a Cancerian, even a Sagittarius. Show me the present moment for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node for July 2021. Present moment for Scorpio. Ooh, yeah. You have the Star, Aquarius energy. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and get one more of these cards from this deck for your very near future in July of 2021. The star signifies hope, faith, wish fulfillment, reconciliations. Show me the recent, the very near future in July for or you could be dealing with a Pisces, dude, or in a Cancer. Brooke, get it together. Shit. Very near future for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in the North Node for the month of July 2021. Let's go ahead and do it. Near future. It's coming towards Scorpios. Coming towards my Scorpios in the near future, please. Good. Ooh, you have the Sun. Leo energy. This is family, joy, happiness, get-togethers, okay? This is kids. All right? This is coming out of dark night of the soul. This is shedding light on things, illumination, joy, and happiness. Damn, Scorps, it's been a while. The Lovers, Gemini energy at the bottom of the deck in reverse. You may have left somebody behind here that you didn't want to let guess, that you did not want to let go of. You still don't want the cycle to end. But you have hope and faith that you're going to find your happiness, right? Please tell me you're not placing your happiness in the hands of somebody else. You give your entire power away by doing so. All right? All right, what do we want to use now? We're going to start with the Death card in the reverse because it is the energy that you're either transitioning out of or it was in your distant past. You pick and choose, okay? Tarot cards, come on. Alright, show me Scorpio energy, please. Scorpio, Sun, and Rising Venus. And the North Node. Scorps. The Star and the Star. Wish fulfillment, having hope and faith. A thing shall work itself out. Though you may be regretting a lot, this is your energy, Scorpio. 5 of Cups. You could have been dealing with an Aquarius, guys. Aquarius with a Leo, either a Leo with Aquarius in their chart or Aquarius with Leo in their chart, or you have these predominantly in your chart. Scorpio, there could be also an Aquarius spying on you. Dude. We have Leo's strength in reverse. Okay. Leo strength in reverse. The Cowardly Lion. And then you have Aquarius, the Star. Wish fulfillment. I'm getting a side story here. For some of you, the Leo is not single. Okay? This Leo is not single. Nope. There could be a lot of conflict around this, or there could be, yeah. There was a lot of conflict around this Leo that is not single, okay? Let me put those back. The Aquarius, this has blind hope and faith here. But is not fulfilled or happy. Okay? The Aquarius is healing and no longer gives a shit after the Tower moment, your energy, and is not taking any action. Okay? If this is you and your story, Not taking action, still feeling hurt and left out in the cold, but healing. Don't expect anything from the Aquarius. Alright, show me the Death in reverse. This is not letting an ending happen by force, by sheer, by being obviously stubborn. Fighting change. Okay, Scorps. Show me Death in reverse. For Scorpio, Sun and rising Venus in the North Node. Okay, I'm not going to say that because that one was from me. Scorpios, have you met an Aquarius lately? You have been dealing with one. This Aquarius is trying to show you and your family the way to beat death. That's at your doorstep. Dude, this is like black magic shit. Which is not, it never works. Never fucking works. You can try, but it never works. Period. Show me the Death. Alright. Death card in reverse for the immediate past. The energy you're coming out of. Fighting change. Change is necessary. You're Scorpio. You embody that change. Do it. Let me guess. Capricorn energy. You could be dealing with a Capricorn of significance. Or you could be a feminine Scorpio who is loving herself, putting herself first. Pisces energy, the Hangman in the reverse. You're not letting anything hold you back. Not letting shit hold you back. Not even conflict. People fighting around you, having it out for you. You think that's just gonna stop you? Hell no. It didn't. If it hasn't. Okay. Oh, there's a Leo again. And the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so some of you could be in a long-term commitment with the Leo. But to me, this feels like your energy, Scorpio. Like you're embodying the energy of Leo, the Strength card, the Lion, Aslan. Okay, this is courage, bravery, to say the least. Having to do with a long-term commitment, or what was a long-term commitment, or what will be of a long-term commitment, Scorpio. Despite all the bullshit, the changes, the evil that I'm picking up on, to be honest. But you do need to do your research. Somebody tells you, learn it, do it, don't hesitate. Just do it. The Magician just showed up. Okay. Yeah, especially if you feel like somebody's doing work on you. That's all I'm saying. We don't talk about that shit on my channel. We don't give it that power. Tell me about the Star. Yeah, you met somebody. Somebody here is like a guru. Well, yeah, it could be. Or a mentor, or a life coach, or a spiritualist. Somebody that you trust in and know. Okay? They're trying to guide you in the right direction. This person seems very concerned that you're not going to listen. Yes. You have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, Queen of Wands. If this is a love interest for some of you, this is. You fight it. You fought this death ending, this closing out, this finality, okay? You didn't want to be single, or you didn't want to be in a relationship because of conflict. It could go both ways, guys. You could be very attracted to this Aquarius, or this, it could be any sign, it doesn't matter. This person could be very passionate and very knowledgeable about what they know and do, okay? But you are staying up all night, you're not getting enough sleep, which is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, by the way. Why is this? Guys, I'm getting complete shit here. This is like, yeah, I'm gonna say it. No, I'm not using this. Okay, some of you don't know what I've been dealing with and helping people, a person with. But this seems to be that story, unfortunately, and I can't change the message. Yeah. Bruja, black magic. Shit. And this person, the star is trying to guide you in the direction towards your family and your happiness, your end goal, away from this, away from what I think is the person doing the shit on you. See that fucking cat? Tell me more. Too many. Alright, so more Aquarius energy here. You are totally tying yourself up in anxiety. Putting yourself in a self-imposed prison. You're not sleeping. You're having nightmares, worry, anxiety. You feel like you're stuck. You're not stuck. More Aquarius energy, to be exact, okay? This is finding peace, moving away from the bullshit that doesn't serve you. All this, all of it, okay? You need to do that. Because in the end, justice always prevails. Justice in the court, justice in the universe, called karma. Tell me about the sun, please, for the very near future for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node. So the major signs we have here are Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Libra, Aquarius again, Leo again. Show me the sun for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node. Tell me about it. You're wondering if your family is going to make it through? That fell there. And you're wondering if there's ever going to be a decision made here having to do with a brand new beginning where your emotions, your heart lies with your family, your children. Ace of Cups in reverse, soulmates in reverse. Why is this? Okay, we have the Page of Wands here at the bottom, and you have the Queen of Cups, which is your energy. No longer feeling confused, more your energy. Then you have the Sun in reverse, guys. What the fuck is happening? This is like a goddamn... Top of the deck, Wheel of Fortune, the Fool. Let's leave that there. You have, see, it's like The sun upright, the sun reversed. Depression, being without family, no joy, no happiness, okay? So let me go ahead and clarify. I don't know. Where are we at? I feel like that's pretty much self-explanatory. Scorpio. Alright, let me get my poker cards. We have the Page of Cups in reverse. This could have to do with a water sign child. Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. Alright, tell me about the Hangman in the reverse. What are you ready to jump at? You're ready to get out of the stuck, stalemate, stagnant energy. Tell me about the Hangman in reverse for Scorpio. You're ready to speak your truth no matter what comes your way. Chuck it in the fuck it bucket. This is me, this is who I am. You like it or not, fuck off or fight about it, but I'm not going to be a part of it. Anything else about this truth? For Scorpio, Sun and Rising, Venus in the North Node. You have the Ace of Diamonds here, Earth energy. And then you have the Four of Hearts here, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. You're going to speak your truth about an opportunity that you find abundant. It doesn't have to be money-wise, okay? It could just be a God-given opportunity handed to you out of the blue by the universe. And you're not going to miss this opportunity. And it's causing a lot of conflict for some, and for some you're afraid it's going to when it does. And maybe it has caused conflict because you're, oh my gosh, guys, what the fuck? In the present moment, you're stressed. You're very stressed because this is the recent past. Top of the Strength card and the Ten of Pentacles. Jack of Spades here. Lots of communication coming in about this commitment. Whatever you're committing to, whether it is a marriage, a long-term commitment, what have you, or family, it doesn't matter. Fit it where it fits for you, okay? About wanting to continue to put in the work, blood, sweat, and tears into whatever this is. What do you, show me this combination here, please. What are you so stressed about, can't sleep about, Scorpio? You have regrets. Regret is on your mind. Am I? Will I? Won't I? What do you regret? You regret waiting or exploring other options? Tell me. You regret. This is not getting any clearer. Please be clear. What is this about? That obviously wants to... On your mind is regret. That's what keeps you up at night. You're regretting and resenting. You have a lot of resentment and regrets on the inside here. Something that you waited for, that you're not even sure if it would ever even come to be a success or a win, or it would ever happen. And that is justice and the Jack of Hearts, which is this card right here. Okay? A small gesture and apology so that you can get things back on the right track. Coming back together again with somebody or someone or a family. What else? Yeah, Aries energy. There's fork in the road. Total fork in the road. I can feel it, guys. This is your present. There's a decision needing to be made here. Yeah, and a truth needing to be told. Clarity needs to be brought about, guys. What else? Anything else? You're at the bottom of the deck here. Queen of Hearts. Tell me about the Ace of Cups in reverse, please, for Scorpio. Ace of Cups in reverse for Scorpio. Ace of Cups in reverse for Scorpio. Sun and rising Venus in the North Node. Ace of Cups. Pain, loss, and heartbreak. Okay, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Ace of Cups in reverse. Somebody from your past that you have definitely done a lot of introspection and reflection on. That has also brought you to be very guarded. Something from your past that was not fulfilling at all has affected you. Scorpio has made you very guarded here and is bringing about, see, there you are right underneath it, I'll be damned, and there's a stress card again, and a long-term commitment, guys. You need to work through this heartbreak, maybe. Communicate. This, okay? For some of you, you just could not be happy. You're not happy right now. But you are suffering in silence. Where'd this come from? Overindulgence. Okay. Yeah. Feeling betrayed by somebody. Okay. Could be a soulmate. Could be a third party. Third party could be family, friends, anything but your lover. Okay? And it's definitely burdensome. So we're going to leave that there. But you need to communicate in the future more. Do you hear me? Communicate what it is that you're stressed and you're feeling, so that you can get these thoughts off of your mind, so that you can clear your mind and not let these old resentments linger and fester. Because obviously you want your family. You want to have a family with somebody. You want to work towards getting your family back. Am I not correct? Because you're depressed. Okay? Probably overly emotional right now. But one thing's for certain, you've come this far and figured out exactly what it is that you want. I can clearly see that. And you need to communicate. You have to, okay? So let me get one of these. Show me Scorpio energy, please. Scorpio, Sun and rising Venus in the North Node. Sorry guys, my allergies sometimes too. Scorpio. Show me Scorpio energy. Scorpio, Sun and rising Venus in the North Node. These are so sticky. Show me Scorpio. Last messages, please, for Scorpio, Sun and rising Venus in the North Node. Last messages for Scorpio. Loud and clear. 45 signifies 9, coming to the end of something that you definitely put a lot of hard work and effort into, but you need to speak up, possibly loud and clearly. But whatever this is, it's loud and clear. You know what you want. You need to speak up. You need to fight for it. At the bottom of the deck, you have, yeah, communication, the F word, book. And then you also have 8 Leo energy, strength, baggage, be gone. Something you've gone through, guys. You've got to communicate. Communicate, communicate, communicate. Please, please. I'll grab one of these and that's it, Scorps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love it so much. Follow me on Instagram at TAROT.ILLUMINAE. The link is in the description box down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, view to get be in the runner-up, like your 4th place for your July bonus. Show me Scorpio, please. Last additional messages for Scorpio. What do you really want? I think you kind of know that. What do you really want, Scorpio? No. I lost it. Shit. Dude, I cannot make this shit up. What did I say you need to do? Fearless expression. Oh, at the bottom of the deck. Follow through, my love. That is your energy. Yep. Speak up. Figure out what it is you truly want, Scorpio. I feel like you really do know what it is. It's just you guys aren't all that great at, once you've been hurt or something traumatic has happened, you blame yourself or you retreat. Okay? You go into this deep dark place for a long time. You need to follow through and speak up with what it is that you really want. Alright? Alright, Scorpio. I will see you guys soon. Love you guys. Go out there and kick some ass. Bye-bye.